G'day, welcome to Ben's Worldly Eats. Today we are cooking one of my all-time favourite foods. Growing up, Mum used to make this on the cold winter nights. It is amazing, it's extremely simple, only a few ingredients, guarantee you will love this.
Daddy, I'm hungry. I want spaghetti.
Here you go, buddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
So, what we're going to need: nice ham hock, smoked ham, condensed tomato soup, some beans. This is the Italian soup mix you can buy in the supermarkets here. Celery, sweet corn, onion, swede, parsnip, carrot, and turnip. That's all you pretty much need. You can throw in potatoes, you could put chili, you can put whatever you want. Mum used to call this a cabinet and fridge cleaner because whatever was in the fridge, you could put in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to chop all this up and I'll show you how we do it. Let's go. We're all chopped up, all the veggies are done, the ham's ready to go. We've got our beans and we've got our soup. All we need now is a nice big pot. Heavy bottom's always better. So let's put all this in, let's get cracking. All right. First step, let's put our ham in there, get that going, get all our beans in, and then all we need to do is add water. So we just want to add enough water to cover. There we go, easy, turn it on, and we just bring that to the boil. It should take 20-30 minutes, let that cook out, put a lid on top. Once that's done, we'll come back and we'll finish it off. So it's been boiling away for a while. It smells amazing. You can smell the ham. It's just making a perfect broth. So now we can add our veggies in. But try to keep it in the bowl, it's always a good thing. Get that in, we add our soup. So get all that out, that's all goodness. Give it a bit of a stir. You'll notice the colour coming into it now. All we got to do now is let this cook for a while. 3-4 hours, the longer the better. We'll add some salt and pepper to it a bit later for taste. But this is pretty much everything we need in there. So let's put the lid back on and keep cooking. Right, since it takes a while to cook, let's make sure you just stir every now and then. Just keep it moving around. Let it cook out, as it takes quite a while. You want those veggies to be really soft. You want the meat to fall off the bone. So just stir it every now and then. Okay, easy. Now that it's been simmering away for a couple hours, the veggies are getting nice and soft. The meat will be absolutely beautiful by now and will fall off the bone. This is when I like to give it a bit of a taste. Check out the seasoning, see how it is. So for me, a bit of pepper would be nice at the moment. I don't think it needs any salt, just like a nice chunk of pepper. Stir that around, try it again. Yep, that's really good, really good. Let's let it cook for a bit longer. Okay, it's been a few hours now, so it should be all cooked. Nice, oh look at that. You can see the meat's just tender, falling off the bone, all that flavour's in there. The veggies are nice and soft. I think this is looking just about ready to dish up. So I'm gonna make some toast, plate it up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, let's get some of this into a bowl and we'll taste it, see how it is. Make sure you get the beans down the bottom, heaps of veggies, nice big bit of corn. It's looking really good. Okay, here we go. Lovely looking soup. Can't wait to dig into this one. Alright, I'm going to bring in my taste testers. I'm going to see what they think of this soup. It's been cooking for 4 hours now. It's nice and hot. Perfect piece of toasted bread to go with it. So come on in. Come on, bud. Alright. Here's our taste testers.
Oh wow. I like it.
You like it?
Good.
Good, Mommy.
It was really good. The bread's so soft. Let's try the soup. Perfect.
That's good to hear. Do you want to try, buddy?
Okay.
You try some soup? How was
How
that?
is it?
First,
Yummy?
Mommy.
Yummy. You want more? Well, there you go. I think we have a really good, perfect soup for a nice cold winter's night. Let's go eat. We'll talk to you later. See ya. Keep watching. Outtakes incoming. You can throw in an onion. Sorry. You know, let it cook out. Right. So it's been boiling away.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
I don't care.
Alright, so next step, let's just sit. Next step, let this cook for I can't speak in the English.